Hello everybody, episode 7, moving right along, aren't we? Crazy times right now, guys. I mean, we got some people crawling all over the freaking Capitol yesterday and stuff, man. Fucking nuts. But this ain't about politics. Heading to the parts store right now. I'm gonna go get some undercoating and rubberized coating for my gas tanks, which both are officially here now. And I got my fuel tank strap brackets now. They just showed up today. So let's go ahead, take a trip to the parts store, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, so let's go back home. This is what I got. Got some Rust-Oleum undercoating. We're gonna give this a shot. I'm just gonna do the gas tanks. I'm gonna do the fuel tank straps. I'm gonna just coat them with this, and then actually got 3 cans because I'm gonna use this on the underside of my cab as well. I was gonna just use truck liner or truck bed liner, but I figure a rubberized would be better since everything just flings up there anyway and bounce off as opposed to getting stuck. I mean, mud's still gonna stick, don't get me wrong, but figure get a rubberized coating and be all right. What's today? Today is Thursday. We should be able to get the tanks undercoated today, tonight, and get the brackets done as well. Then, depending if I have to work tomorrow or Saturday, one of those days we'll be getting the gas tanks installed. Pretty pumped. So, on that note, I'll see you guys either tonight, tomorrow, or Saturday. All right, so here we are. Let's go ahead and get this process done. So like I said, I am using Rust-Oleum undercoating. It's actually not a bad brand at all. We used it before. I had no issues with it. Went right on, straightforward. Shake it, spray it. Obviously, there's a coat time. Put 1 to 2 coats on, and then in between each coat, wait about 5 minutes, and then go ahead and put another coat on. And then for touchability, I think it's an hour. Yeah, air dry for a minimum 1 hour, and then after that should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get you guys in closer, and I'm going to show you some things about this gas tank that I believe are the reasons why you should be doing this as well for your Squarebody gas tanks. All right, so reason number 1, it's metal. It's gonna rust. This isn't something you're gonna paint unless you're gonna go all color ceramic underneath the truck. I'm not gonna go that crazy where I'm coloring everything on the truck. I don't know. But that's one thing. Just, it's metal. It's gonna rust. So just go ahead, save it a few years. Put some undercoat on it. Secondly, these things leak right around here. This is where they like to leak. Sealing that up pretty good. Just, saves you another few years on these gas tanks and stuff. I mean, it's just the smartest thing to do. That's not even just for square bodies. I mean, it's for vehicles in general with exposed metal like this. Go ahead and just coat it. Like, if there's not going to be paint there, coat it. If there's going to be paint there and it's not going to be seen too much, coat it. Choice is yours. Do what you want. I'm just giving suggestions. That's all. But let's go ahead and get right onto this. And let's get that first coat down. All right, that was coat number 1. It's pretty easy. First coat lays down pretty quick, and it's thick, like Bodie meat thick. No, that's a lot. So you only need 1 to 3 coats, depending on what you're doing. Really not that much. I'm gonna let this cure for a couple more minutes. Not cure, flash dry. Then put on the second coat for the bottom for both tanks. So let's do it. All right, both coats are on. So let's go ahead and turn these around. We'll get the front side all taped up, covered up, and we'll go ahead and put on the first coat. Okay, so you probably noticed right there at the end, I only put 1 coat in the middle of the brackets. And that's just because the black coating that's already on it is supposed to be a rust preventative protector. So all I was doing is just doubling it up, like double wrapping your PP. But we're gonna wrap that up for tonight. I'm getting pretty tired. We'll continue this tomorrow. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. I don't know if I want to put in the gas tanks just yet, because I might have something else for you guys tomorrow. We'll see. I'm gonna sleep on it. So let's go ahead and fast forward till now. All right, so here it is. Fast forwarded. I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything else this rest of the weekend. I was gonna start clearing this out, get the bench seat out, check the floor underneath that, check everything, so that way we can start getting prepped for new panels coming in and stuff. We got a welder on the way, we got body panels on the way, we got gas tanks done. Man, I'm kind of stuck right now. We'll get a game plan though. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and cut the video off for now. Next week, if you guys follow my social media, such as my Bearded Cyclops gaming page on Facebook, my Instagram, both pages of Instagram, Bearded Cyclops and my David Harold, you guys are more than welcome to head over there, follow me, keep you up to date. But I'll keep everything up there, let you guys know what the game plan is for the next video and stuff. But until then, you guys have a good week.